Hello everyone. Today we'll try using the library to convert image to text in Python, and using Google Colab for environment. Everyone just go to this website and just click to run it. First of all, I will install library. I will using to library pytesseract and EasyOCR. Okay, download in image idong, and I have a 5 image to try it. First of all, image with blur in English, not blur in English, blur in Vietnamese, blur to Vietnamese. This is image of comic. I show you this image. Okay. And the last one is the image not blur of Vietnamese. We start with the first image. Do you see it? This is a picture of the comic I using by Tesseract, and I will regain it in the past and will reduce this image and convert it to just two color white and black to easy to read text in image. Okay, we'll try it. Okay, we will check the box. We have 9. Okay, with this image we have 9 box, and we will try it, and I will using this image and not reduce the size. For now, do you see it? Run and Rahul one box. More, 2 more, and I not save it. Okay, and we will try to library by EasyOCR. Okay, we try it. Okay, do you see it? Run and Rahul. Oh, it's right. Okay. This convert image to text is really good, and it no bug. Okay, 0 bug, and we will using not blur English, and I will show you not blur English. Okay, I will try change to the 2 image. It have a little bug in here. Actually, with the image with not blur, it's correct, right? Okay, I will accept it, but not too good. Friday double processes. Okay, I will give it 1 bug, and I will try with by this. Okay, it's still good, right? Okay, good. Friday just 1, and with go no bug. And I will try with EasyOCR, and it's still good, right? Okay, this is no bug. I will, and the English is really easy, but when you convert the Vietnamese to from the image to text, it make really morning bug. Okay, I will try it. First, I have an image with blur, and I will change to image free, and I will run it. I will check it. It's really good. It not bug, 0 bug. I will try with by step. It have 1 bug in here. Okay, this is with 1 bug. 1. Okay, it still have 1 bug. Oh, okay, it's still 1 bug. And I will try with EasyOCR. For now, do you see it? It true right, but it still make a bug in here. This is must be the I, but it show the J. Okay. And it still have a bug in here. This is with two bug. Okay, it have two bug, and I will try with the blur tool. I will come back. We have 7 bugs, and I will try with not resize. Oh, this is really good. It have no bug. Okay, we'll try with EasyOCR. I have one bug. It's not a big bug, so you can pass this. We have 2 bugs. We have 2 bugs with blurry EasyOCR. The last one is the image not blur. I think this image may be blur, so it may have a bug. For now, this have 2 bugs, and I will try with image not blur. I have 1 bug. The last one is the OCR. And after combat, actually I go for by Tesseract. Okay, this is really good, right? But when you using convert image to text in Vietnamese, you should select EasyOCR. And this is a comparison table about Tesseract and EasyOCR. You can see it. And if you want to create tool for free, I think you should go for Tesseract because EasyOCR is really way for this your CPU and your GPU. Thank you for your watching my video.